Hello there. It has been a day of contrast so far. In fact, we've had some beautiful blue sky and sunshine across Scotland. Take a look at this Weather Watcher picture from Highland. Hardly a cloud in the sky. It was glorious, but it was a different story for England and Wales first thing this morning, wasn't it? A lot of cloud around, and yes, there's been some rain, welcome rain, but nowhere near enough. This was Lincolnshire just a few hours ago, and this has been the story so far. The heaviest of the rain easing off into the North Sea, and we've got a rather cloudy, drab story across much of eastern England for the rest of the afternoon. Best of the sunshine, Scotland, Northern Ireland. We'll start to see some sunshine now coming through across northwest England and parts of Wales as well. But one thing I want to point out is that temperatures across eastern Scotland could actually be around 9 to 10 degrees down on where they were yesterday. So it's a fresher feel despite that sunshine coming through. By contrast, still quite humid across southeast England. Top temperatures of 27 Celsius, that's 80 Fahrenheit. Hopefully the only thing drab and dreary for the women's final at Wembley today will be the weather, but even that is going to brighten up as we go through the evening. Maybe the odd isolated shower when you're arriving, but that's it. And then through the night tonight, we keep some cloud across the far southeast, clearer skies out to the west. That's going to allow those temperatures to fall away into single figures here. Still a rather mild night, not as humid as the one just passed, however, in the southeast of England. But again, we could start off a little overcast at first thing through East Anglia and the southeast, but eventually the sunshine coming through. A lovely day for most of us tomorrow. Lots of sunshine and warm with it. But through the southwest by the end of the afternoon, a bit more of a breeze, a bit more rain arrives. That's into Northern Ireland as well. Here 19 degrees, but highest values once again 27, 80 Fahrenheit. Now, as we move into Tuesday, it's a little bit of a mess, isn't it? A lot of weather fronts across the country basically translates into the fact that we're going to see some rain and some isobars around, a bit more of a breeze as well. So the rain fairly light and showery, and once again, never really getting south of the M4 corridor. So will be a rather grey day with outbreaks of rain from time to time on Tuesday. The wind direction, yes, breezy, but still coming from the southwest, so still warm. Once again, 23 degrees into Aberdeen, 27 for Norwich and for London. Now, as we move out of Tuesday into Wednesday, this weather front making its way through will start to introduce something a little bit fresher. We're starting to lose that humidity that we've had across England and Wales, and we might see a few isolated showers. Don't count your blessings too much, because they should be fairly isolated as they push their way into the southeast. The most frequent showers up into the far northwest of Scotland. Here that little bit fresher, but still once again 27 or 28 degrees. We have to wait for that front to ease through before we start to notice the difference. And as we move towards the end of the week and into the weekend, high pressure is going to build in from the Atlantic, but the direction of the wind is going to be important, because as it swings round to a clockwise direction, we might see more of a northwesterly flow. So no significant rain to come once again with our week ahead. You can see how dry it's likely to be, but it will be that little bit cooler with temperatures here, as you can see, a little bit disappointing. So that's how it's looking. Enjoy your afternoon, and I'll see you later at 4 o'clock early this evening. Bye-bye.